Hello, young minds. Welcome back. Is it possible to build a winning AI bug using super simple code? Yes. Normally, we would control games with a joystick. Now, there is a game in our of code named Bug Arena, where we code algorithms to let the bug make smart decisions on its own. Now, you have a question, right? What Bug Arena is? Bug Arena is a fun based game learning activity designed specially to introduce kids to foundational coding and AI concepts. Actually, yeah, Bug Arena literally means bug battlefield. So there are three AI algorithms in Bug Arena. The first one is random algorithm, second one is square algorithm, third one is back and forth algorithm. So basically, these algorithms help us to learn AI basics. It's not for advanced AI concepts, but for students to learn AI basics. Now, in this video, let's see the first one, which is random algorithm. See, random algorithm is a very useful concept. Please follow the video. Let's dive in. At first, open a new Chrome browser and type hover of code. And here, click the first link. Here, click AI activity catalog. Now, in the search box, type bug arena. So this is the game we are going to play. Click the start button. So this is the introduction to Bug Arena. So now we are going to play the first one, which is random algorithm. Click the OK button. This is the first step. Click continue. So this is the Bug Arena introduction video. There will be lot of information. If you want, you can watch the full video. Now I'm skipping this video. This is random algorithm video. So the bug moves in the random direction. So click OK. These are the instructions given. This is the toolbox and this is the workspace. Now we'll read the instruction and follow step by step. Let's have a bug turn a different direction every 5 seconds. To do this, we'll use a time interval block. So using the block, we'll be making the bug turn different directions in every 5 seconds. So from the bug AI toolbox, drag and place the every 5 seconds block in the workspace. Now click the next button. So the next step is from bug AI toolbox, drag turn 90-degree block and place it inside the 5-second block. Now click the next button. Now for every 5 seconds we want a bug to turn in a different random direction. For this, use the math toolbox. Pick, place the pick random and inside the 90-degree. Instead of 90-degree, you're placing the pick random toolbox and placing it instead of 90-degree. Click the next button. Now we are going to test the algorithm. So this is the game window. Here you are going to click the practice button and you are going to select no opponent and then infinite. So you can see the bug moving in different directions every 5 seconds. So that's it. Click the next button. So the next step is from bug AI toolbox, place on bump wall in the workspace and place turn 90-degree block inside the bump wall. Click on the next button. Now from the math toolbox, pick random block and place it instead of 90-degree. Click the next button. Now in the game window, you can see the bug is moving in different directions every 5 seconds. Now you are going to use the speed slider to see how fast the bug is moving and filling the window in different directions. Yeah, that's it. Click the done button. So this is the next level. You can click and continue. Now in this the battle begins. In the game window, bottom right corner, click on the tower button. So I'm clicking the tower button to start the game. At each level, you will be introduced to your bug opponents and will challenge them to a bug paint. Now click and hold down the A or B buttons to skip the animated scenes. So I'm clicking the A button. So that we can skip the animation. So each duel lasts 5 minutes. So feel free to move the speed slider to the right to speed things up. So the process is going on. Let's wait for the bug to arrive. So if we win this match, we will be moving to the next challenge. If we lose, you'll have an option to go back to the practice grounds and you have to play a new game. So that's it. The bug has arrived. So I'm moving the speed slider and I'm coloring the window. So the match is over and we have won the match. So click the done button. Yeah, now we have completed the random algorithm, which is the first one. So thanks for watching, guys. Let me see you all in another video.